A crazy way to clean the toilet. I found it online, so see for yourself if it works. Place 3 rolls of toilet paper into the toilet. Then start using colorful dishwashing liquids. Begin by pouring yellow liquid over the paper, followed by a layer of green. Next, pour some orange detergent, then blue cleaner. The red liquid is perfect for removing stubborn yellowish stains. Follow up with purple liquid. For extra freshness, sprinkle the soaked paper with powder, preferably baby powder, as it absorbs moisture well. Then throw in laundry scent beads to give a pleasant fragrance. Add shaving foam to the paper and start another round of liquids. Use pink, red, and orange detergents. Finish off with citrusy yellow liquid and fluorescent pink for the final touch to the colorful mix. Complete it with another layer of shaving foam. Leave the paper for an hour. After that, remove each roll one by one and place them in a Ziploc bag. Finally, use a brush to clean the toilet as you normally would. This method may be crazy, but it works. Place a balloon in the toilet. See what happens. The result will surprise you. For this trick, you'll need a regular balloon. First, take the balloon and inflate it, but it doesn't need to be very large. Then, tie a long string to the balloon. This length is crucial for the trick. Once the balloon is ready, grab a jug and pour in 400 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is an effective descaling agent and is often used to neutralize unpleasant odors. It also has antibacterial properties. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap to the vinegar and mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly. Next, stick a small piece of transparent tape onto the balloon. Carefully place the prepared balloon into the toilet, ensuring that it completely blocks the toilet's drain. Pour the vinegar and soap mixture from the jug into the toilet. Follow this by pouring a bucket of warm water into the toilet. Leave the toilet like this for 3 hours. After the time has passed, use a toilet brush to scrub the toilet. Once you're done cleaning, grab the string and carefully remove the balloon. Locate the tape you attached earlier. Using a needle, pierce the balloon at the spot with the tape. This will ensure that the balloon deflates slowly without popping. Finally, flush the toilet. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Place the sponges in the washing machine drawer and pour this liquid. This trick will make your washing machine last for many years without any malfunctions. Soak the sponges with it and put them in the washing machine. You likely often overlook the detergent drawer when cleaning your washing machine. Moisture in its uncleaned corners causes mold to develop, leading to an unpleasant odor over time. This sponge trick will clean your washing machine the fastest. Take a sponge and remove its rough side. Place it in the detergent drawer. Do the same with the second sponge. Soak the sponges generously with vinegar. They should be well saturated. Close the drawer and wait 10 minutes. Then run the washing machine on a short cycle. During the wash, the vinegar is evenly released from the sponge, thoroughly cleaning the drawer as well. I repeat this process once a month, and as a result, my washing machine is always clean, and the clothes taken out of it smell fresh. Throw coffee into your toilet. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. This is a simple and cost-effective way to create a useful bathroom cleaner. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is great for absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for its cleaning properties. Pour some vinegar into a glass, as it is well known for its disinfecting abilities. Add the vinegar to the bowl with the coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, you can use it to clean your bathroom. Pour the entire mixture into the toilet. Let it sit for a while to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then scrub as usual and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaner, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. You don't need to install an expensive air conditioner. This kind of fan can cool the entire apartment. Just take a regular fan and also prepare a styrofoam box, preferably one intended for food purposes. You will also need 2 plastic pipes. Using a pen, trace the ends of each pipe onto the lid of the box. This is important because you will insert the plastic pipes there later. Then, using a heated tool, make holes in the lid. Do this carefully so that the box is airtight once the pipes are inserted. Now prepare the next part of the air conditioner. Take 2 large bottles, such as those used for beverages or water. Cut them so that the upper part remains intact. Then, attach the bottles to the previously prepared pipes, which you can reinforce with tape for better airtightness. If the pipes have plastic ends, cut them off. Use the heated tool again to make 2 holes in each bottle. It is important that they are opposite each other. Pass the pipes with the bottles through the prepared holes in the lid of the styrofoam box. Attach the bottle ends to the fan using zip ties, one on the front and the other on the back side of the fan. This air conditioner is almost ready. All you need to do is put ice into the container. The more ice you use, the colder the air that will be blown out. Just a few seconds after adding the ice and turning on the fan, cold air starts blowing. The effect is amazing. It works like a real air conditioner. This kind of air conditioner is a lifesaver on hot days. You will avoid a large expense and can enjoy air conditioning at home.